what are the hardest part of LDR relationship? What do you think? What is the reason why LDR relationship won't work? Okay, so what is your advice to foreigner who will enter LDR relationship with Filipina?
Just always communication is the key.
Of course, yeah.
Communication is the key for relationship,
Mhm.
and choose wisely.
It's okay. So, what do you like in a man?
I like handsome,
Handsome.
handsome, and also good and
Good man.
good man.
So, for
and
you,
loving,
a
caring.
loving, caring. Okay, so for you, what is handsome for you?
Handsome for me is not only in appearance but also
Yeah,
in
yeah.
inside,
Okay.
and also treat you like a princess.
Ah.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone? Before you get to meet someone like you? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love.
Hello everybody! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So by the way, I'm Jalai and I'm a Filipina vlogger from the Philippines. And welcome to my Philippine channel. And for today's vlog guys, we have a new guest in our studio. And now let's start. Hopefully guys, she will share us an interesting story and also a lesson for you to learn as a Filipina values and also relationship and Filipino life story. Alright, let's start. So now, give me, tell us your name, your age, and your status.
Hi, my name is Shalome CGKU, but you can call me Shala,
Okay.
and I am 24 years old now.
Wow, we are same age.
Yes.
Okay, but your voice is so cute.
Yeah, thank you.
You're so cute. Okay, so what do you do for a living as of now?
As of now, I am a student, and
Mhm.
I'm focusing only our school, only then
Mhm.
school at home, just study.
Just study only. So you're focusing on your studies. So
Yeah.
who is the one who support your college?
My parents, sometimes I have what you call
Part-time?
part-time. I have a
Oh.
part-time online selling, like
Oh wow! So what do
yeah.
you sell online?
Like lip tint.
Lip tint.
Yes,
Okay.
affordable.
Wow, affordable. So how much is your lip tint?
Only 50 pesos.
50 pesos. Oh, that's
So,
less than $1.
yes, for dungag lang sa expenses sa school, like that.
Okay.
Allowance only for school
Allowance.
and for
Okay.
tuition.
Tuition. So you are in bachelor because you're paying tuition fee.
Yes, I'm bachelor, continuing bachelor.
Okay. Yeah, I remember now because in that school, if you are what we call that the previous one, if
Diploma.
you're diploma, you only have 3 years
Yeah.
free. Then after, if you like to continue, then you have to pay for the tuition fee.
Yeah.
Okay, but they also have a something like if you have award like president award, vice
yeah.
president award, you can get a discount.
Discount.
Oh yeah, for president it's full for your tuition.
Yes.
Then
But I am part of the SPES program.
okay, okay.
So my tuition is half only.
Wow! So how much is the tuition fee of the college here in the
It's
Philippines, Char? It
thir-
depends on the college, guys.
Yes, 13K
13K, that's around
per sem.
$210 something.
Mm,
Oh, okay. That's okay. But per sem.
per sem.
So if you times to that in a year, because in a year here, guys, is 2 semester, then it's gonna be around 26.
Yes.
26. Okay. So, but your parents are helping you and you're doing also.
Sometimes, but
Sometimes.
yes,
Yes.
because I have a sister.
You have sister.
Schooling at nurse, so
In nurse, it's free.
free, then
Allowance.
allowance only.
Allowance. Like, do you guys commute or live in a boarding house?
No, I have a motorcycle. I drive only go
okay.
to the Darwin here in
So you in
Dumaguete.
Darwin. Wow.
Yeah.
You know what? In Darwin, guys, so many foreigners live there, right?
Yes.
And you know what? There are like so many beautiful beaches.
Beaches.
Ay, sana all. Okay, so do you live close to the beach or no?
Yes, near from Salaya Beach.
Salaya. I don't know about that. But
It's popular in Lipayon only in Dawin, but in Dawin kaan hanang beaches more, and Silver Reef may pinaka known sa Silver Reef.
Silver.
Silver Reef
Silver Reef is
dive resort
is the known one.
known
Is that
one.
expensive?
No, it's affordable only.
Wow. So how much the entrance fee?
No entrance fee, just
It's free?
yes.
Oh, wow.
Just purchase food only.
Wow. So what can you recommend about the beautiful beaches in Darwin
You
for foreigner?
for foreigner, you must go to Atmosphere.
I know that. It's so expensive.
Expensive pero sulit.
Yeah, you know what? I went there and for sightseeing only. I think sightseeing and you can also use the pool. It's around 2,500 for
Sulit.
daytime. Oh my god. Yeah, but that's the expensive one there, right?
Atmosphere.
Wow.
Infinity.
I've been there in Infinity. It's very affordable.
Affordable.
Yeah, but the view is still good, and the thing there is their area is not that really big.
Yeah.
What is that? The area that is facing the ocean is not really big. I don't know about Infinity because when I asked them about the prices, oh my god, I cannot do it. Especially if you are with friends, you know, like, oh, it's too expensive. So have you been there?
In OGT.
Or GT? In Atmosphere?
Yes.
Wow! So how was it?
It's the friend ay the ano sa mga tao dito.
Like the people there?
Oh yes, the people there kay like nga nila mga service, mga trabahante bud ba kay ma-share ay kusog ra siya nimo kanang makuan day nimo maduulan ra sila.
They're very approachable. The workers there. Oh, that's nice because you know what, some resort, like if you're doing internship there, they don't really like be friends with you, especially expensive, you know. But you know what, most expensive resort guys, they're very accommodating. Yeah, I've been in Coco Grove, and in Coco Grove that's expensive also in Sikihor. And it's really accommodating, you know, like you don't matter about the price, you matter about the services and the people who work there, like
Yes.
how they value you as a customer. I like that. And especially the food also. That is really very important when you go in a resort. Since you're a tourism student, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect. I like it. And you know, so as a student, how much is your allowance in what we call that? In a week, let's say. I think in a day.
In a day,
Uh,
for me 200 only.
200. But you drive your motorbike, so
Yeah.
it is
200.
that enough?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Sometimes kay we have projects, Xerox, like print,
Yeah.
then sometimes nang amot-amot.
Okay, so you chip in for,
For
project.
project.
Not for drinks.
No.
Okay. That's good. No drinking. So now since you're tourism, what is your plan after you graduate? Because you're fourth year college, right?
I want to go to Japan.
Like, no, it wasn't my plan already that I want to go to Japan. So what will gonna be your job in Japan?
I want to apply room attendant in
Room
Japan.
attendant. Okay.
Yes.
So do you have a friends or family that is working there because you want to go there?
Friends only.
Friends only.
Yes.
So do you think they will recommend you when you graduate?
Yes, they
Ah,
promise.
Oh, they promise you. Wow, sana all. Are you ready to travel in a cold weather? Ready
Yes,
na ba?
I'm ready.
You ready? Sana all. So what kind of room attendant is that in the hotel?
In hotel only. Then they offer also anything basta room attendant or cleaners.
Cleaners.
As
Are
is
you
in
okay?
I'm okay with that at least.
At least you're in Japan. Okay, that's good. At least you're in Japan, you know, you don't have to be picky in the Philippines. Oh, I don't like it. I'm just it's a cleaner and I'm a tourism student. No way, but in Japan, no, it's okay. I can be your nanny. Charot. That's cool. Okay, so now how's your college? What is your challenge every day when you go here, when you go to school?
every day our school is so far.
So
See,
far. So
and
what is your big challenge while
traffic.
driving? The traffic? Do
The
you have
traffic.
license?
Yes, I
Okay,
have.
that's good.
But the traffic is so. I have class 7 a.m. But the traffic
So early. So at what time you go? What time you started?
6
6. And what
a.m.
time you woke up in the morning?
5.
5.
5
So you
day.
have 1 hour preparation. Have you
Preparation.
experienced late?
Yes.
That's
7:30.
given. That's normal. Filipino time. So your class is 7 and you arrived there 7:30. Then at
7:30
what
then.
time your class
8:30
finish?
will
8:30.
end.
Hala, my God. So how's your
One.
teacher, what we call that, reaction about it?
He said, I'm ready for the second subject.
I think you're too early for the second
Yeah.
subject. Too early. Okay,
Yeah.
so now let's we're already I wait. Let me ask you this. So how many siblings do you have in your family?
2.
2. So
My brother and my sister.
then how about you? Are you, what number are you?
I'm the eldest
You're the
one.
eldest. Is it hard to be eldest?
Yes, because my mother is pressuring me about financially.
Financially. So what type of pressure? Because as Filipino guys, it is in our culture to help, you know.
Yes, she want me to stop school because she want me to
Help.
focus only working. And
Working.
before I work in PSA,
PSA.
then she want me to stop.
Okay, so
She want me to continue
Continue.
the PSA. Then I don't want because I want to study
You want to
first because I want to go to Japan.
okay, Japan is waving. Okay, so she don't like you to go to college.
Yes.
She want you to focus on working. So
Working.
how much was your salary that time?
In PSA, it depends on our quota. 420 every
420.
day.
420. That's around, guys, $8 every day.
Every day. And
Wow.
depends on our quota in we have 10 household like that in
So
census.
census. So you are, what we call that?
Enum-
Census, like
Enumerator.
enumerator. Like you
Yes.
will ask how many
Many
people live in the house,
in
in
barangay,
barangay.
that particular place.
So in a
That
day, how many houses should be?
8
Eight.
houses.
But that's is that a lot or not?
No.
Like, I mean,
In barangay, I assign only in barangay. For example, in Dawin, I assign only in Purok 1.
okay.
Like that.
ah,
We have a GPS.
GPS map, like you have to, like they will
Look-
give you the address
yes,
and
then-
you will locate it.
yes.
Okay, that's okay. That's good. Okay, so let's already finish about your life story. Let's move on. Oh, are you moving on? Let's move on about your life, relationship life. Char. Okay, so your relationship, what type of relationship you ever experience?
I've been in LDR
LDR.
relationship.
Okay, so what?
So it's hard.
It's hard. So what are the hardest part of LDR relationship?
If you miss him,
If you miss him,
if you miss him,
don't cry. Okay. Okay.
if you miss him, you cannot hug him
Aw, that's so sweet.
or you cannot talk to clearly to him what's your problem. You cannot
Okay.
share with him because of the connection.
Connection.
In messenger
Messenger.
and then he is busy, then I am the anong ato oras kay lahi ila ding
Okay.
conflict.
So it's foreigner.
No. It's conflict.
It's conflict. So the relationship is like, it's hard when it's LDR, especially the time, and also when he is working and you're not, and during that time you needing
Need
him
him.
to
Yes.
comfort you. Okay. But have you ever met your LDR like in person?
Yes.
So like you
We've
met him
been 7 years.
7 years. Okay.
Then he decided to go to abroad to
Okay.
work.
Okay.
Then now kay We 1 year separated.
Ah, that's so sad. That's very sad. So, what do you think? What is the reason why LDR relationship won't work?
Because of misunderstanding and
Misunderstanding,
miscommunication.
miscommunication. That's really hard. How about when you are sad, like you have family problem and you need your LDR and he wasn't there for you? Ah!
My friends comfort me. We'll
Your
go
friends.
to
Is it a boy or a girl? Oh.
girls,
Okay.
girls friends, girl
You know what,
friends.
guys? Some people they said that if your Filipina is sad, don't let her a boy best friend to comfort her because that's scariest part. Yeah, the scariest part. Oh,
We will go to Rockbox on
Rockbox
with my
Okay,
girlfriends.
let's sing karaoke. Wow.
And then after that, we will go to AMPM.
AMPM. So many places to go here in the city.
Yes. Then the exciting parts will be we go into joyride only.
Joyride. Okay, just to forget,
Get-
the things that you are, the cause of your being sad,
Sad.
just the sadness part of your
Of your
life.
life.
Okay, so if LDR, where did you meet him?
Here only.
Here only, like what kind of application?
No, we will.
Just in person, literally.
Yes, in disco.
Disco. Ay, disco. Disco.
We meet in disco.
Yeah, you meet in disco. So the cost of being separated is like miscommunication, misunderstanding.
Yes.
Then until how does it feel? Because are you guys separated online or in person?
In
In
person.
person. It's so sad.
So sad.
But at least guys, because some LDR they broke up in like on through phone only messenger and they don't have any like chance to meet in person to settle everything before they separate. But you're good because you met him in person and talk about it first. Did you?
Yes. Then now he support me financially sometimes.
Sometimes. Ah, okay, that's good. So, what do you prefer if ever like you're single and what would you prefer, a Filipino or a foreigner?
It depends.
It depends. But have you ever experienced foreigner?
No, but my friend referred me then he liked the foreign but me kay support ra po ko niya so siya na lang.
Okay, so your friend, what we call that, reto, like refer you a foreigner. But
Then siya may na-fall.
but your friend was the one who fall in love. Okay, but you're okay with that.
Support.
Support na lang ka. You're just supporting her happiness. What do you think about, what is your perception about foreigner?
Foreigner
Oh.
for me they are good in ano ng direct to the point.
Direct to the point. Like, how about Filipino?
Pasikat.
Pasikat-sikat pa. So many kuan ka ng corner, then go like that.
Siya daw kay ang foreigner kay dikta na yung storya ba naibog siya nimo or
So
wala na.
if the foreigner likes you, he will say,
Say,
I like you. If
then
the foreigner don't like you, they will say,
Say,
I don't like
like
you
you.
anymore. Let's stop the relationship. Like, it's not like about Filipino. My head is aching. My mother is dying. Mother in the hospital. I cannot continue the relationship anymore. Just tell me if you don't like me, then
I will study first.
then stop our relationship then. Like, in the phone, like, I don't like you anymore. I cannot manage our relationship. But in Filipino, my stomach is aching. But you know what's I really also understand why Filipino do that because they don't like to hurt the
Hurty.
person in a very what we call that in a kanang pakalit gani what we call that like in a direct to the point
Point.
way because we don't like to hurt that someone but we never think about we are hurting that someone if we will do like later
Waiting.
we will inform them later
Or
it's more
option.
yeah it's more painful
Yes.
so but
Being
our
option.
yeah but our thing is oh my god, I was just being sweet and soft to her. But at the end, you're the one who hurt her. So it's okay. It's okay. So what do you like in a man?
I like handsome,
Handsome.
handsome, and also good and
Good man.
good man.
So for
and
you,
loving,
a
caring.
loving, caring. Okay, so for you, what is handsome for you?
Handsome for me is not only in appearance but also
Yeah,
in
yeah.
inside,
Okay.
and also treat you like a princess.
Sana all. Of course, you know what? Being handsome is not really the definition of physical looks. It can be mentally, charot, mentally. Yeah, it can be the real your attitude. Because what if you're so handsome but you're not responsible, you're not caring, you're not loving, so you're
Loving.
just like a wolf, angry wolf. So, what is your advice to our foreigner viewers that are looking for a Filipina? Since you talk about LDR, what are the preparation that they have to prepare?
Mm, choose girl that will support you wherever you are, and in trust the girl if she will. Ano yun?
Okay, so what is your advice to foreigner who will enter LDR relationship with Filipina?
Always, just always, communication is the key.
Of course, yeah.
Communication is the key for relationship, and choose wisely.
Choose wisely. Communicate every day to get to know each other with your Filipina, and choose wisely because there are so many sweet Filipina in the Philippines, and maybe you found the bad or a good one. We never know, guys, but communication is the way for you to know about her personality, her attitude, and especially about her life story. All right. So thank you so much for being here and for your giving your time, and just you came here in my studio. Thank you so much. And yeah, have a great day, guys, and thank you so much for all your support, and thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully you like it, and please comment down below if you have something to say. Bye.